Welcome back to another video, people, and today I am going to do French fried chicken. But before I go any further in this video, I just want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel, and it is a great pleasure to reach 100 subscribers and overs, and I am looking forward for 1,000 subscribers. So guys, what you can do for me is just share the video with your friends and families, and whoever would want to watch Roots Girl channel, you can just share it with them. Thank you for subscribing, and I am very grateful. I am very thankful. I am so appreciative for you guys visiting my channel. Thanks a lot. So I already cut up my chicken, people, and because I never want a long video, so I already cut up my chicken. So I'm gonna wash it. I am going to wash it now. That's what I'm going to do with some vinegar. I hope you guys can see it. So yeah, people, I am so happy I reached the 100 subscribers. Even though I know some say it already, but I have to say it again. That's how grateful I am. Chicken, I want to stay with me the leg at that, you know. Love walking. See what everything I eat alone I jump out of the basin. So people, may I add my seasoning, and now I am going to show you guys how I do my French fried chicken. I know everyone do their thing different, so I am going to show it to you guys. Look at it. Chicken well clean and nice. I like skin take off the skin off from chicken. I don't really like do the chicken with the skin on it. I don't like skin on my chicken. So Maggi first season I am going to use is my Maggi. Everybody use Maggi. Rather all-purpose, and I am going to use the Maggi chicken season. Yeah, I love one liter season on my meat. What y'all are done? No sir. How is this name? Well, the one here one natural seasoning. I don't want to pronounce it and bite it my tongue. I like the one here add up to, but I like to use it. And if you use a lot of this, it is going to be salt. So guys, I am going to cut up my natural seasoning, because I am going to blend it out to put on the chicken, because that's how I like to do it. I like to blend it. The scallion is kind of a little low still. I did want to use more than this, but run down on scallions. from me have my garlic and my onion. I'm good to go. Did I state my ingredients? My garlic, onion, scallion. Yeah. What happened? Oh God. The battery for the people, the battery for the gimbal I did for me to rot. Me never see this. Yes.
I don't think that's because I have. Could you make a bone piece for me?
Hold on. So guys, this is my natural seasoning. The gimbal battery I did, so the phone now keeps steady. I don't know why it start giving me this trouble, and I don't like problem. So I am going to put it in my little blender thing. I am going to add a little water to it. A little water. We get the little liquid something. So I am going to blend it now. And I am finished my blending. So I am going to add the season that I just blend on the chicken. So I am going to rub in the natural seasoning now. People, I am a French fried chicken lover. I love French fried chicken.
Yeah, kupastana.
Yeah. Well, look. I will fight you. I don't know, but when I was a little girl growing up, and when Sunday come, if I'm a French fried chicken, I don't want it. But I grew up past that now still. Eat anything on a Sunday. It's not that special to me anymore. So people, what row me I go do it now? So after I finish rubbing in all that seasoning that I had to it, I am going to juke up the chicken because when you do this now, the season go right through. Nothing nah waste, nothing nah dash way. Everything I go right down to the bone. Season to the bone. I normally do this. Very nice when you do it like that. I wonder if I will let them dig up. I stab it. I think that's it. I think that is it. So yes, people, you know what I go on now. Look funny. Look good. So I'm going to put down this and let it marinate for some minutes. So I'm going to give it some time and then catch up back with me when I am frying it. Okay? Right, there's something that look on the Swiss up here. I wonder which one I want one piece of this. I know somebody must want a piece of this. I love Swiss up. From the here start at the first, I'm going to eat one Swiss up. So here what? I'm going to devour this like right now. Look at it. I go like a family one and not even my one, but it is in the house. Who can stop me from heat it? Who can stop me from heat it? People, it's nice your friend. I mean, I exaggerate. Tastes good. So yes guys, in this bowl right here, I have my seasoning and my baking powder that I put in the flour. So you know. So I am going to add my chicken. Look at it. Well seasoned. Smell good. I think I should put more oil in the pot. So this is how I am doing it, guys. Some people use the egg, put the chicken in the egg, but me not gonna really go up to that stress today. Me not lie. So I'm gonna take the shorter route. Shorter way me I go. I want you guys to catch when I am putting my chicken in the pot. down a little. So people in the garlic, put the garlic in the oil. You know, you give a little garlic vibes. Them love garlic. So let me now set my chicken. I hope you guys can see. Oh. I believe that it went for 1 minute. Gunshot about up in that Kingston City. Oh na na na. But for what? Mustard. So yes, people. What's that? I want to be just deadlift. Yeah. See them there? Them are going with them like a cell. Yeah. So when it a turn, yes, when it a turn. So this is how it looks in the pot. I already turned some already. Probably may not hold the camera good. So I'm going to look at me I do. I'm going to try to focus on the camera. So it's not going to be that perfect. So stay with me. So I'm looking at the pot. And then smell good. So whenever time I do my chicken, me normally do it like this. I normally do it. And I really time up me, just when my mind tell me say, alright, this is good. It can turn, so I deal with it. I normally have no timing and how I cook or them something there. So let that take the time go on with itself. So this is the finished product of my French fried chicken. And people, remember to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. Guys, thank you for watching. Everyone that come on this channel and watch it, I thank you very much. Thank you for being with me on my YouTube journey. Stay blessed. Peace out.